the exercise or workout application, which can pretty much build your body. There's a lot of things you can work out or exercise, a lot of courses which you can go through with this application. You have the Iron Core section here, which is a 5-day training as it relates to that. You have the Zero Equipment training. You have the Bodybuilder Beginner training. You have a lot of them. But how to use it? So all I have to do, whichever one of these trainings you want to start with, all I have to do is tap on this here, or tap on the training that you want to start, and they will give you a roadmap as it relates to the training. As you can see here, you have a 1-day, 2-day, 3-day, and 4th-day is, you have pretty much rest there. So once you tap on the day 1, you're going to pretty much see everything as it relates to your first day of starting this workout, as it relates to you becoming a bodybuilder. Also, don't here you have the ability to see the difficulty as it relates to these exercise, which by looking at it, it's just pretty easy to work out here. So nothing much for that. So that's pretty much it for this application here, and basically that's how you use the application for any one of these courses. Very easy, and you can tap on the discover mode to see other courses as well, which you can go through. It all depends upon what you want. So here down here may see nutrition. It does help you plan your diet and so forth, track your food calories and everything as it relates to you getting your body fit and so forth. Also, they do give you a 30-day meal plan, which you can follow through as well with. So, as I said before, it all depends upon you guys and what you want to do with this application here, because it's very, very powerful. And down here now you have the nothing much for this section here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.